Hi guys, this is Teen and welcome sa ating Pasta Talk series. For today's video naman, gagawa tayo ng isa sa mga go-to recipes dahil napaka-easy and simple lang ng recipe nito. Ito ay ang chicken tuna pasta. Let's start with the chicken. Slice the chicken into strips and season it with Tina's Flavours all-purpose seasoning. Then let's cook the chicken in a medium heat pan and fry for 3 minutes each side. Then let's make the sauce naman. In the same pan, saute the garlic and onions until fragrant. Then add the mushrooms and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add the corned tuna. Pour in a little bit of pasta water and cook for another 3 minutes. Season with Tina's Flavours all-purpose seasoning, and lastly, add the pasta. Slightly toast the pasta para mag-incorporate ang pasta and sauce. And we're done with the chicken tuna pasta. At mas pinasarap pa gamit ang Tina's Flavours all-purpose seasoning na low sodium, zero sugar, and zero calorie. O diba, super easy lang ng recipe na to. Kaya go-to recipe ko talaga to dahil readily available lang ang mga ingredients ito. Kaya itry mo na rin tong recipe na to. And don't forget to tag us. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!